How do you like this bright burger for only 250 calories and 25 grams of protein? The best part is that it's super easy to make. We'll need 4 eggs. Separate the yolks and the whites. Thank you so much to everyone who leaves likes and comments. I really appreciate it. Set the egg whites aside for now. Right now, we need to blend the spinach with the egg yolks. Now add a little wheat flour to make the texture denser. You can see the exact amounts of all ingredients in the description below the video. I'll also write all the macros there. Great. Set that aside for now and let's whip the egg whites. Now gently fold the spinach and yolk mixture into the fluffy egg whites little by little. Be sure to add it gradually so the whites stay airy. Carefully spoon out our future buns onto the baking tray. Shape them however you like. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for around 15 minutes. I'm using pure ground chicken. 2 cloves of garlic. Sorry, I just really love garlic, so it appears in my recipes quite often. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. And 1/3 of a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. A little olive oil for flavor. And now let's form our patties. Fry them until golden brown over medium heat so the patties stay juicy. Don't forget the tomatoes for juiciness. Cucumber for crunch and freshness. And red onion for a slight sharpness and to enhance the flavor of the other ingredients. For the sauce, we need Greek yogurt, tomato sauce, and 1/2 teaspoon of dried garlic. Just look at these buns. And of course, 1 slice of burger cheese. Look how beautiful it turned out. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.